What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Let's get the numbers, the views, everything up. Let's do this. I've also launched a Discord, so join that. We can always talk sneakers, legit checks, everything sneaker related, fashion related, all that good stuff. You can always contact me on there. I think that will be my main method of people contacting me. It's just way easier. If you don't have Discord, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to sign up. But yeah, people, man, let's just get into this one. And I'm kind of gassed. You know why? It's not a boring old Nike sportswear box. So it's actually quite a nice box. You know, the box isn't everything, but the box is something. So we've got a brown Nike box, so kind of like the old school Nike boxes, with a black swoosh. What I really like about this is it's got information, artwork, Nike trail, and then we've got like little graphics and stuff all around. You know, it's nice, like a little doodle. It's got more information, Nike swoosh, you know, the doodles, and then on the back more doodles, you know, just the general information on the bottom, more doodles, little mountain logo, but the most important bit is the information on the label. So it says Nike React Pegasus Trail 4, so that's the government name of these trainers. So the React Pegasus Trail 4. The colorway is LT iron ore, so that's probably light iron ore, volt and cobblestone. USA size 11, UK 10 centimeters 29, BR 43, Europe 45. Style code on these is DJ 6158002. And these are made in China, slightly different to the Vietnam that we usually see. And yeah, so this pair, just quickly before I get into it, I really liked online, so I loved them online, and I saw them and I had no excuse to buy them. I just liked the shoe, I liked the colorway. When I got them in hand, not so much. Oh, more stuff, different paper with some scribbles on it, brown paper. We got the Nike Pegasus Trail 4. So this is a trail running shoe. I don't run, so I don't need to own these. These are in fact going back, and that's because they just don't have that wow in person for me, to be honest. Just a quick one. They do have like a little caravan sticker thing, which I do really like, so you know, shout out them for doing something a bit extra. Back to the sneaker. Yeah, man, I really like this. I don't know what it was, you know, sometimes you just like something and you can't explain why you like it. You know, this is that. Different look online, different look in person. It's less of a grey, it's more of a like dirt beige or a beigey odd color. But we'll just run through the colors and then we'll see what the verdict is. So that bottom is that trail running Nike sole. So they do actually have a grip, so they are for trail running. I don't trail run on trails or anything like that. I don't even think there's any trails where I am. I don't know. Yeah, that's not information I really know or really care about. It's got that, you know, that mountain logo. Is that a mountain logo? It looks nice. I like the logo. Then the swoosh, it is backwards, so that's kind of like, I don't know, Travis Scott collab. Shout out Travis. The midsole, we've got like this grayish color. It says Nike React, and it is quite sturdy. On this side, it does have information. You can see what that says. Just do it. Reason not required. What's funny is I have to read that through the camera lens, because if I don't, I cannot see what that says. It's very hard to make out. Then this bit, it's just all sorts of, things going on. So the midsole kind of splits and it has orange, and then that logo orangey. I'm not sure, man. I'm really not sure. I like them online. I don't like them now. Back on this side, so you can see that side splits there. This side splits into like a volt. So it's got like volt on this side, orange on this side kind of thing. It would have been cooler if they, split it orange. See, I should be a designer. Half orange. Because look, they did orange on this side. They should have put orange on this side, orange here, all the volt here, 10-10. But even then, they still won't be nice because of this color. So they should have looked like what they look like online. Then we've got like a tape Nike swoosh. You don't always see a tape Nike swoosh, but obviously it's to be lightweight because these are actually light. So the tapey swoosh sticker business. Then it's got the tape. It carries on hiding the seams. Nike trail on more stickers. So it's very like, lightweight. Then we've got the flywire lacing system instead of anything else. We actually do have, a slight lace loop business there. But, it's all more so like just a bit of material on top. We've got the full mesh, lightweight, breathable around. One other thing is actually quite weird. This is quite cool, like just the way this is, like the shape it is. I've never seen that before. I like this more than the shoe, man. Like I like the shoe, but it has to be another color because this color put me off. Then we've got random like white and baby blue, light blue laces. Like I don't know what's going on over there. I do like the details though. So for example, under that sticker I'll have a T and then it says RAIL, so trail, so for Nike trail. That's all fun. All in all, as you can tell, I'm not the most impressed. It also says flywire and it has flywire. The lace tips are quite cool. Got information there, says Nike Trail, and the other one has that Trail logo, but it's still just not enough for me. It's just not wow, it's just not amazing, it's just not, it's more so the colorway. Shoes, if you are a runner, trail runner, whatever you want to call it, if you want some comfortable summertime trainers that you can wear with tracksuits, this will work, like those fitted style tracksuits. But these are doing a U-turn for me and going straight back. Not happy with them at all. 5 out of 10 for the colorway. For the silhouette, I really actually do like, so I'll have to try like black and white or all black or navy and white or something like that. Yeah, so that's enough of me ranting, enough of me slandering, fly kicking these shoes. But yeah, let me know what you think. Tell me if you've got a pair, tell me if you like them, tell me if you hate them, tell me if you rate them. Tell me what you think, join the Discord, all that good stuff. Have a look at all the other videos and wait a few seconds and you'll see the on foot for these, just so you can judge what they look like on foot. Take care, people.